हाँ जी, अब जो है let's get Zen back after so long. And Ahmed Jahan Zeb, ओहो मजे.
तू है मेरी
नहीं पर्सनल हो रहे हैं अब. That's Saud and my Middle Eastern Arab identity is like khush. Yeah, I love this. And starting with Oud is special. I've just heard this in Dosti from RRR. Oh yeah.
तू है मेरी दुआ ओ सनम, चाहे मैं जितने ले लूं ये जन्म ओ पिया.
Ya Allah.
दिल बेकरार है जाने मन, जितनी भी दूरियां हो पास उतनी.
Have you heard that Jitni Bhi Duri? Oh my god. What is this human?
जितनी भी दूरियां हो पास उतनी पिया. तू साहिल है लहर में हूँ, तू छाँव है घनी मैं हूँ का बादल हूँ टूटा सा तारा मैं, जो लिखी ही नहीं मैं वो कहानी हूँ. तू ही सदियाँ तू ही पल है, तू ही मेरे हर दर्द का हल है. तुम बिन जीवन सुना, जीवन के
That part is so different, you know? It's doing the same as that song. Like using the Arab vibes in such, the Middle Eastern music vibe in such an awesome way. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती ये कितना excellent है. Just loving it. Too much innovation आज तो. Hay Allah. And mashallah she's so beautiful.
कहानी हूँ. तू ही सदियाँ तू ही पल है, तू ही मेरे हर दर्द का हल है. तुम बिन जीवन सुना, जीवन के ये सारे लम्हे मैंने तेरे ही नाम है लिखे. मैं दिल तू दिया, तू साहिल है लहर में हूँ, तू छाँव है घनी मैं हूँ का बादल हूँ टूटा सा तारा मैं, जो लिखी ही नहीं मैं वो कहानी हूँ.
One of my favorite tals.
तेरी गलियों में मुड़ने लगा है, तुझे देख के है ये मन क्यों मेरा.
I think romance in Pakistani dramas can never get cringe. I don't know, like it can be violent, क्या कहते हैं, over, क्या है, but not cringe. It's always dreamy and beautiful and rooted with the desi touch. She is Arij Mohyuddin.
क्यों मेरा ये इश्क का जोग है जोगी मन बन बैठा है रोगी है तू ही मेरी दवा तू साहिल है.
I cannot, मतलब एक तो he's soulful and deep और ऊपर से he's doing like new variations, so मेरे लिए बहुत है. Oh my god. तू साहिल है. Yeah, and you know he has such awesome compositions with which we can play and innovate बहुत से ज़्यादा. But तू साहिल है, this तू साहिल है is like killing. It is sizzling.
तू साहिल है
I think no one can think of that except Ahmed Janzer. Or at least I will take 2 days to reach that. Something like that. Now it's stuck. And I just have this one. मेरे दिमाग में दिन भर. तू साहिल है, लहर में हूँ. Oh gosh.
लहर में हूँ तू छाँव है घनी मैं हूँ तबादल हूँ.
Oh no.
टूटा सा तारा मैं जो लिखी ही नहीं मैं वो कहानी हूँ.
I think Arez is nice in here. Yeah. And watching Zain Beg is like reminding me of my Balu Mahi days. I love that drama. Tu Sahil hai. Everything he does after Tu Sahil hai is like paradise.
बैठा है रोगी है तू ही मेरी दवा तू साहिल है लहर में हूँ तू छाँव है घनी मैं हूँ तबादल हूँ. टूटा सा तारा मैं जो लिखी ही नहीं मैं वो कहानी हूँ.
दुआ और आजान जुम्मा से इतवार रात 9 बजे सिर्फ
No, that's it. No, I have to just end this. I need to take a break after this. He is such a nice balance. Ek to outstanding composer. And he has a touch. He has an originality. He has like an identity, and such vintage Bollywood type of compositions with which you can just like innovate and do whatever you want as a singer. And dusri cheez, he keeps you like within the halat. He makes you travel with his voice and his expression. You feel all the emotions he's conveying through his singing, and वो उनकी singing इतनी खूबसूरत है कि you just lose your mind and you lose your soul and you're just vibing भी नहीं यार, just like dreaming. Soulful, awesome composer, and the kind of technicalities he has, you can never expect किस तरह गाएगा next चीज, किस तरह एक नई चीज लाएगा, and it's done on the very right time. So that's a full package, a full singer भी नहीं यार, a full musician, Also he does layering so well. जो main voice है, it's not the only one. You will find sometimes backing vocals, sometimes his, sometimes other voices, and it uplifts the feeling of the song and it makes it such a magical experience. मैं क्या ही बोलूं यार उनके बारे में, like he never repeats himself. Like for those who are saying this is like Ishq Murshid OST, no, maybe you're talking about the thing, or but just keep in mind this is the same person who is composing this one too, so you will feel his originality, his identity, which is a good thing, not a bad thing. But he's not repeating himself. This is not repetition of oneself. बहुत ही नई चीज है and बहुत ही unique चीज है. He makes songs that live longer, live longer, if not commercially, in the minds of people who appreciate good music. So and I don't know मैंने कैसे मिस किया है ये, like so thank you me. Thank you me. तू साहिल है, लहर मैं हूँ, just like नाम हो आशिक, नाम दीवाना, कह दो मुझे जो पिया, तेरा मेरा है प्यार अमर, सतरंगी नादानी तेरी, नौतंगी रे मन मारी तेरी, सतरंगी वो भी